within the framework of our national commitment to unity in diversity and inclusive development. The individual who spoke does not even reside in Indonesia and certainly does not represent the views or interests of the Papuan people, nor.
Now I give the floor to Aceh Sumatra indigenous peoples, following by the Philippines.
Okay. Mr. Chair, thank you very much for giving us opportunity to speak, as we have been waiting since Monday from item 3. Mr. Chair, distinguished delegate, fellow indigenous people, my name is Tengku Fajri Krong, and I speak on behalf of the 6 million indigenous people of Aceh, Sumatra, and we are not masyarakat adat, as Indonesia stated earlier, but we are the indigenous people of our land. I come before you today to speak the truth, and many have tried to silence. The Indonesian government continue to violate the human right of Acehese people systematically, brutally, and without accountability. Just recently, Indonesia has deployed 6 additional battalions of military forces into Aceh for no reason, just to intimidate, suppress, and control our people. With this new wave of militarizations, community live in fear. Indigenous villages are being watched, voices are silenced, and the daily life is overshadowed by the threats of violence. This is not new. For decades, Indonesia has committed crimes against people of Aceh. Mass killing, enforced disappearances, torture, rape, and displacements. Our land has been plundered. Our oil, gas, and forests taken without our consent and without benefit to our community. We are treated not as citizens, but as colony. The so-called autonomy promised in 2005 Helsinki Agreement was never honored by Indonesia. We are not allowed to raise our own flags. We are not free to teach our history. Our right as indigenous nation are denied at every level. We declare clearly and firmly, the solution is not more dialogue with Jakarta. The solution is independent. The people of Aceh have the right to be free from Indonesia occupation, from militarizations, from exploitation. Article 3 and 4 of the UN Declaration on the Right of Indigenous People affirm our right to self-determination, and we are here to claim it. We call on this expert mechanism to condemn Indonesia ongoing human rights violation in Aceh, to demand the withdrawal of military forces, and to support our struggle for independence. Indonesia must be held accountable and Aceh must be free. InsyaAllah, Getanyo akan merdeka dari penjajah Indonesia. I thank you.